Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use landscape mode on iPhone iOS 17. So guys, if you are using iOS 17, then I'll help you how to turn on your landscape mode on iPhone. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings on your iPhone and guys scroll it down, and here is the option of accessibility. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this here is the option of display and text. So guys, you need to click on it, and guys you need to find here any landscape mode. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, here you can see we have not find any option related to landscape. So guys, simply you need to go back, and guys after this you need to scroll down in this tab. So guys, here you can see here is the option of landscape mode. So guys, if it is on in your iPhone, then guys you not be able to use your landscape mode. So guys, simply you need to turn off this tab, orientation lock, and guys after this you will be able to rotate your iPhone screen smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.